Hey guys, welcome back. Today me and Dino are gonna find a new dodo bird because it's a new update. So the dodo bird can spawn anywhere and we're gonna use it. You see? Okay guys, right now I'm trying to find the dodo bird. Oh, it's right there. He has it! Give me that boing, give me that. Thick boy, thick boy! Give me that, thick boy. No, his teammate killed me. Ah! Give me that. Get him, Dino! Kill him. He's double jumping like a nerd. Imagine double jumping. Oh, his teammate wants him. His teammate wants to go. His teammate wants to go. I'm fighting for my life. I think I'm dead. No, I'm glitched. Ah! Yeah, the guy from yellow. Bruh, imagine. I'm just watching you guys. Free, I just. Hiya, hiya. Imagine dying though. Okay, I just died. Why? He has an auto. Let's see about that. So do you have you also have an auto clicker, Dino? Everyone, Dino has an auto clicker. I just glitched off the map. No! Where's that guy with like where's that guy who is from yellow? Because he's not in yellow base. I just got so much iron from yellow base. This man got some diamond armor. What are you talking about? Okay. He's just grinding for more M's because he has the right to. I'm lagging! You're lagging! Oh, I just fell off the map by lagging. Wait, who has diamond armor? A guy from blue, right?
Yeah.
Thick boy? This thick boy? You're not going to get the best of me. Let's get it. Bruce Lee, my guy. Oh, tap him while I'm hitting him. Tap him. What are you doing? Tap him. Oh, he's running. He just jumped out. I thought he was gonna kill himself. Yeah, he has M's like that. He's just gonna kill himself, so we can't get it. There's more M's here. He's going for him.
This last round to win. Last day.
I lagged.
Oh,
I'm hitting him. He's coming for our base. No, he's not. He's too scared. He's too scared of us. We're too overpowered.
oh my god.
He's only doing 10 damage. I'm doing 6. Let's go. No, how did I? Yeah, get him. He's so low. He's so low. Wait, where is he? This guy from green is camp. Oh, that guy jumped off with his balloons. Hello guys, welcome back to my Minecraft channel. Dude, I'm lagging. Hello guys, welcome back to my Minecraft channel. This guy is so fast at bow spamming. Oh shoot. Oh, how did I survive that? He clutched up for me. He clutched that one for me, my guy. I was about to fall off the map and he hit me to the center. He clutched that one up for me. There's a dodo bird on top of me. Where is he? Where's green team's base?
No.
The diamond armor. Oh, he's shooting me with a fireball! I'm getting that dude. He doesn't have any lives. He has 0 lives. I have 50 lives. Oh, I can literally get what the? What are you talking about? Our teammates have been grinding. Yeah, my screen's frozen again. Ah! I have 7. I'm just coming back to base and getting armor. Yeah. I'm listening. Yeah. Green. Will you destroy green? Okay, you're going for the radio of an iron axe, right? So we're good. Wait, don't go without me. Okay, you going? Okay, fireball it right now. No. How am I falling? I literally have 3. Got their fed boy, big boy. I can kill both of them with my diamond armor. Diamond. Okay, I got one. One's dead. There's only one dude left. Then we just have to kill that annoying guy from blue. You want to go? He doesn't have. He's lagging. He's lagging, I think.
Oh, there's
Okay.
another dodo bird.
Can I have it? I haven't had it yet.
Fine. I'm waiting for the second
Mm. Eh. Did you get him? Oh, he just fell off then. He fell off himself. Where's the dodo bird?
over there.
Huh? Oh, it's on top there. I see it. I don't have any wool. I'm just gonna. Oh, blue. The guy from blue is here. You can't get two dodo birds, can you, my guy? Yeah, I think I'm aware. Ah, this guy's coming in one. Ah, whoa. I'm trying to see if he'll die. He'll die for sure. No, I'm gonna get it. I'm coming. Sure, you can try, but if you get it, I'll just give it to me because I really want it. You got one, my guy. Stop camping. Yeah, like he has one. Chill out. Idiot. Idiot sandwich, my guy. We're talking idiot sandwich right now. Get him? No, this man is correct. This man's a really good gamer. You have to get.
Sword partners.
Yeah, our teammates are grinding for break speed. Imagine getting break speed though. Hoist. There was one dodo right here. So I got it, thick boy. Down. I got. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my. Bro, he broke out, hey, bro. He's right there. He's right there. Tap him. You got a bow?
Yeah, but I don't have
Now we're dead forever.
any crossbow.
You can get him, Dino. Risk it. Risk it out. Risk it, 86er.
I have to miss it. Oh, he has a diamond sword on it.
So do you.
I died. You both died.
No, I died before he crossbowed me off while I was going for him.
And I committed suicide.
Hopefully they win. Hi.